Hello everybody, today we are doing an unboxing for two companies. Biggest first.
Hello, Caden. Scoot over,
this is a heavy
boy.
Box.
What are you doing?
We're cutting this open.
So we're doing an unboxing
Oh,
for two companies. What does it say on that company box there, Caden?
Which one do you want to cut open first?
I've been told in previous videos that you are not to be trusted with scissors, knives, or...
Why? Why you say that?
So, we got two boxes. Where's the first one from?
Hey, someone already,
We'll save the biggest
someone
one
already
for
cut
last.
this open for us.
Probably the post office did.
Oh, okay.
Where's that from?
Winnow Technology.
Yeah, so that is from a company that it came from Las Vegas, actually, which is weird. But I am going to say that this came from a company that I've been talking to. As well. What does it look like, Caden?
Oh, I'm just opening it.
Are you opening it?
Oh, we got a new brush.
It is a
heavy
brush. Yes.
Is that a sticker right
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, it's a receipt. Or is it a receipt? What is it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There's a savage kitty next to us.
There's a kitty. It's kitty cam. It's kitty cam.
Baby about to go into a blind. Why are you trying to get into the blinds? Don't do that.
It's from a company called Vikicon. Vikicon? And it is...
3-in-1.
It is a heated brush. It's a 3-in-1 beard straightener. 6 temperatures... what does it say? 9 temperature modes. Anti-scald design.
Auto
shut off. An LCD display and it's travel size.
Ready for this?
Ooh, what's in it?
Now I have to really get trusted.
Oh, there's the kitty.
Now I have to really get trusted with the scissors. She's about to attack that cord.
There's the
Now I
kitty
really have to get
cam. It's
trusted with
kitty
scissors.
cam. Hello, kitty. What are you?
There we go.
What are you doing there?
You smelling the box? Have you ever seen a box before?
So this is hosted by our new friend, the kitty. Hello, kitty. Well, hello. I don't want in here. I don't want to be taped. I don't like it. Hello. Ah,
He's like,
she's
get me
rowling.
out of here. I don't want to be on camera.
I want to be taped. Oh, but she's so cute. Oh, but you're so cute, aren't you?
Such a cute kitty.
What does she think of the box? Oh, she wants out of here. Oh, we better go put her away.
Because she's about to turn into a savage.
Savage.
We got a box. The best box in the land. It's a push open box.
It's a push open box.
Ooh, it's
Ooh,
plugging.
look at this little wonderful brush.
Mine.
What are you gonna?
It's mine now.
We're gonna.
Oh, no.
It's travel size, and it has a little.
Ooh, this feels nice. And the buttons on the side for the modes.
I know.
Oh, holding it actually feels pretty nice. And the brush feels pretty nice.
So we'll be using this over the next couple weeks, probably.
Yes.
Testing it out. Here's some instructions. Has some beard people on it. It looks like a Viking.
And,
Ooh, it's a Viking.
Ooh, car. Thank you for your purchase.
Vikicon.
It's I think it's Vicon.
Vicon.
Or it's Viking and we just can't read.
Ooh.
Because Viking starts with an I.
So we got that. We're going to test that out. Thank you very much for sending that out for testing. We're excited.
And we also got Sphinx Beard.
So Sphinx Beard has given us, and I've seen a lot of people who have seen this, gotten this.
All right, I'm not going to face the scissors towards
It says
you.
Fragile. It's from Chile. Get out of here.
You could just tell by my face I'm Marita.
To cut me. That's what I can see on my face. I can see I'm not having an ear or something or an eye. Ooh.
Alright, my turn.
Ooh. Ah.
Did I just cut the box? Am I cutting the box right now? No, I'm not. Wait, am I cutting the box?
It's unboxing. So you're cutting the box.
Why?
What?
It's cutting the box. One sec. I need help. I need help.
Woo!
It's starting to hurt my hand. 1 second. I got this.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna cut my own hand off. You know what? No, I can't rip it open.
Ah, the Hulk has come in. Oh, break that box. What do you have in here? Oh, poopies. Poopies.
I got a mug.
And it's a mug.
You have to open it. I have to open it and be careful.
Oh, let's see the mug. It's a special mug. Oh, but you got to show the camera. So we'll put this off to the side.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Can't unbox things with the box in the front of us.
True.
I bet you that's
When beard has history. Ooh.
where beards have history.
I need more scissors. Oh, wait, no, I don't.
No, it comes out of the... It comes out of the wrapping. Ooh, that's a pretty cool mug. So Sphinx has been in... So this is his appreciation mug because he's been in business 1 whole year.
That's good.
And his stuff is amazing.
His stuff is amazing.
It smells really good. It's probably the best cologne.
We got a big, huge box.
And this is...
It's a book.
It's a book. It's a plane.
Wait, I think we have something else.
Nope, there's nothing else in there. There's...
Oh, I'm
nope,
gonna have to... I just made a mess.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
What is it?
It's a
I'm like,
plaque.
Ooh.
Because he's been commemorating 1 year. And what does it say on it?
We have to dust it off with the white
See,
stuff.
look.
1 second,
We'll
dust
have
it
to
all off.
Dust it off. We'll have to polish it up. Looks very nice. Look what it says.
1 year anniversary when beard has history, Sphinx.
Don't touch the glass.
Oh.
You're smudging my glass.
Oh no.
It's okay. What does it say?
We hereby present the bearded practitioner for your unwavering support and unrelenting guidance that helped in leading our path to success. You are being honored with much appreciation and gratitude. Presented by Sphinx Beard.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Awesome.
Yeah.
With our greatest appreciation.
That's right. It's very great appreciation. But look at the... This is the cool thing about them again, is look at this presentation. He gives us an award, which is really awesome. It has like a little thing in it. That's pretty cool, like a little card. But then, look at this cool box that it comes in it. It's like a book. It's just the way that Sphinx is. His whole lineup is classy. His presentation is always like this.
And I like the reward.
And the lettering and the mug is awesome. And I use mugs every day. I know, the award is, that's pretty cool. It's a commemorative award for 1 year. And we've really enjoyed their products. I have a review coming up. I got so much, I spent a month doing a review for Sphinx because it's just such good stuff. Yeah, I tested it for like a month.
I crush it all.
I crush it. So we've had a little bit of
a mess.
kitty cam. We have an unboxing. We got some really cool things from Vikicon. Very cool. A beard straightener.
We got a tiny apple.
We got a tiny apple that Christy found at the Walmart.
Actually,
those are the worst apples I've ever had.
a bunch of tiny apples.
Yeah, don't. Okay, this is the review for these apples. They suck, don't buy them. Like the reason why we bought them is because we have kids that just want to eat like one bite out of an apple, but they taste so horrible that I will never buy them again.
Wait, why do they taste horrible? Is it because it has no juiciness?
They're not very juicy. I mean, they're crisp, but they don't have any taste.
Oh.
That's about the extent of that apple. So if you see it at Walmart and you go, oh, maybe I should buy these little baby apples. Unless you have little kids that don't eat apples, they just take like one bite of an apple, don't buy it. It's not that good of an apple.
I could finish this in 3 bites.
It's like a crayon apple.
I could finish this in 3 bites, literally.
a crab apple.
I could shove this whole thing in my mouth and finish it in one gulp. No, I
That's-
couldn't.
Here, open your mouth. Let me see.
Ah.
Let me see if you breathe after I put this in. It's for little baby pigs when they put their little mouth.
It is? Is it really?
Yeah, that's what you would use for little baby pigs. You
Oh,
know how
when you grill pigs and like
put
there's a
like a
bunch of
luau.
fruits and vegetables right next to it. It's just a huge grilled pig,
Yes, poor grilled pig.
and then it has an apple in its mouth.
Yes,
Poor
poor pig. We were talking about the fact that the pig that you probably eat now is probably
Sausage and ham.
His name is Sausage and Ham, but he's probably some little pig's brother or cousin.
If you think about it, you could be eating a pig's cousin.
You could be eating a pig's cousin.
If you have a pet pig, I wouldn't suggest eating sausage because then you may be eating his cousin. That'd be terrible.
Flip your head around a little bit.
Terrible.
Okay. Well, that's the end of the unboxing. We have no more things to say. We've reviewed an apple. We've had some kitty cam time. We've gotten awesome things from Sphinx Beard.
This has turned into a reviewing apples.
And we got a cool straightener. So
We also got the smallest apple of all. It looks like literally, it's smaller than a tomato.
it is.
It's smaller than a tomato.
That's why I'm recommending not buying them. They don't taste like that either. Okay. Well, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you next time.
Here's the biggest apple out of them all here.
Still going on about the apples.
Yeah, let me get them out. This is the biggest apple out of them all.
Very exciting. That's extremely exciting. People came for the apple commentary. Okay.
This transfers into warts.
Into apples.
Into apples.
Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye. This is beards and apples now, buddy.
Beard and apples.